Roslyn and Dunedin's central fire crews attended a house fire in Dunedin's halfway bush about 3 p.m. yesterday. Seeing smoke and flames when they arrived, they called for help from 2 further appliances, one from Lookout Point and one from Willowbank. Roslyn Station Officer Brett Foster says working smoke alarms helped the occupants get out of the burning house quickly.
We were able to quickly extinguish the house fire, which was located in the kitchen, so quick work from the firefighters on scene, put the fire out really quick. And the good news is the occupants reacted right, the smoke alarms operated, alerted the family in the house.
Foster says the fire was most likely started by unattended cooking, and closing the kitchen door helped prevent the fire from spreading to the front of the house.
They evacuated quickly, and especially a good thing is they shut the kitchen door where the fire was located. That prevented the fire spreading to the rest of the house.
One person was treated at the scene by St John for smoke inhalation. In Dunedin, the South Today.